No, slam against Nurse Bork. I mean, she's talking about what she's talking about. I do think, Christa, she's very interesting. This is a very compassionate person. She's in the right field. I see these medical records and notes, and I'm like, man, I could never do that. I'm glad somebody can. And she was so concerned that there was a certain point where she felt like she didn't properly handle this particular patient who was about to and then did pass, that she felt that maybe she was in more discomfort than was necessary, and she sort of missed that and wasn't able to remedy that. So you got to like that in our healthcare professionals, and I like it in this witness.
I do too. She also pointed out how she misspelled the word believe, and you could tell she was quite nervous on the stand as well, and very compassionate. But one thing that didn't come across to me is that she, played any role in helping do anything but give comfort to this patient that was clearly dying. So how does that help the prosecution in any way against the doctor? So I don't know here. It's a lot of witnesses saying a lot of the same things to your point, and I think it gets to the point where it gets a little. Uh, you don't have to put on that many witnesses. Sometimes less is more and more effective, and I don't think that at this point they're accomplishing much on the prosecution side by putting witness after witness on.
I'm still waiting for the smoking gun type information in witnesses. When the witness is done with direct examination and you aren't thinking, man, that prosecution made some points, that's a problem. And we keep seeing witness after witness, and you're like, okay, that's interesting, educational, we see how the process works, but does it put the smoking fentanyl in the doctor's hands? I don't know. Let's take a break. We'll come back again. They're queuing up another witness. It will be a virtual